2026 Infinix Banachar 4. It's for gamers who need power. It's for students who want great cameras. It's for professionals who need fast performance and battery life. It's for everyone who wants a stylish, reliable, and feature-rich smartphone without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2026 Infinix Banachar is a phone that punches way above its weight. With its sleek design, powerful performance, stunning display, excellent cameras, long battery life, and aggressive pricing, it's a phone that easily stands out in a crowded market. Whether you're upgrading from an older device or switching brands, the Banachar now. Let's get to the camera. Infinix has made big improvements in this department. The Banachar sports a triple camera setup on the rear, a 108 megapixels main sensor, a 13 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro sensor. The main camera captures stunning photos with rich detail and vibrant colors, even in low light thanks to its large aperture and AI night mode. The ultra-wide camera is perfect for landscape shots and group photos, while the macro lens lets you get really close for beautiful detail. Video capabilities are equally impressive. The rear camera can shoot in 4K at 60 fps, with excellent stabilization and audio clarity. For vloggers and content creators, this phone could easily double as a pocket-sized camera. On the front, the Infinix Banachar features a 32 megapixel selfie camera with AI beautification and portrait mode. Your selfies are clear, balanced, and social media ready right out of the camera app. Battery life is another major plus point. The Infinix Banachar packs a massive 5200 mAh battery that can easily last a full day with heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or video calling, you won't have to worry about reaching for the charger every few hours. When you do need to charge, the 120W fast charger included in the box brings the phone from 0 to 100% in just around 20 minutes. That's not just fast, it's game-changing. Software-wise, the Banachar runs on Infinix's XOS 14 based on Android 14. The interface is clean, modern, and highly customizable. It comes with features like split-screen multitasking, floating windows, and smart gestures, giving users more control over how they use their phone. There's also a built-in gaming mode that blocks calls and notifications during gameplay while optimizing system resources for better performance. One of the most impressive things about the Infinix Banachar is the price. Despite all these flagship-level features, the phone is priced in the mid-range category, making it one of the best value-for-money devices available in 2026. Infinix has once again proven that premium features don't have to come at a premium price. 2026 Infinix Banachar Video Achi Video English 1000. One of the most impressive things about the Infinix Banachar is the price. Despite all these flagship-level features, the phone is priced in the mid-range category, making it one of the best value-for-money devices available in 2026. Infinix has once again proven that premium features don't have to come at a premium price.